In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Logitech M171. It's a budget wireless mouse from Logitech, and here you can see the battery life, and below you can see the serial number. It is made in Vietnam. Over here you can see the price. The price mentioned on the box is 845, but you can get this below 600. And at the back you can see the features of this wireless mouse. It is compatible with all operating systems. The box of Logitech M171 looks like this. So without wasting any time, let's open the mouse from the box. On opening, you will find the instructions on how to use this mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the user manual you will get with the mouse. Here is the mouse. It comes in this plain white cloth. I have ordered the pink color mouse. There are other options such as black, gray. You can try them. Let's open the back cover. On opening, you will find the adapter. You need to remove this, and you also get a battery with the mouse. It lasts approximately 1 year. Let's close the lid, and here is the on off button. As you can see properly, over here they have mentioned the serial number. It is very small, and at the sides you can see the grip. Simply insert this wireless adapter into your laptop or PC, and you can simply use the mouse. This is how the mouse sound looks when you click. This is the wheel, and here you can see the Logi branding. This mouse is very lightweight. If you are on tight budget, you can definitely consider Logitech mouse. It comes with 3 years warranty, so if you have any issues, you can simply visit the Logitech outlet and you can replace the mouse. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Logitech M171. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.